Hello, in this video I am going to tell you how to write and customize bibliography. So we have command for it, that is slash begin the bibliography and end the bibliography. Here you have right to digits. If you have less than 10 digits, then you have to type the only single digit, and if you have less than 100 references, then you have to type double digit. So I'm going to write 10 because I have less than 10 references here. So every reference will start by the command of bib item slash bib item. So you can take your reference from Google Scholar. I have mentioned in the previous video in bib text method. Here are references. Here are articles on Google Scholar. Select the Cite button, and there is APA style. You can select APA right from here. Just copy it. In the last video I just select the bib text and then copy that material, and now I am going to copy from here because I have to customize my references. So and just paste it here, and here is the and sign that is red labeled. You can add slash, that it will give you and sign properly in the LaTeX document. You can make here citation key. It's better to use author name and the year, and it can also be leave empty. If you want to write the author name, you can write here and the year, and both are separated with comma. Then you can compile it. Here it is, reference number 1, author name and year. That is exactly the APA style which the mostly universities prefer to write, and these in the end page numbers. Now I am going to write more references from Google Scholar. So now I have copy and paste all my references from Google Scholar here, and now just we have to copy and paste it, and after that compile it. Let's see, these are the references with the numbering. Now you can make it customize. How we can do this? We can here give us a short reference cite key. So I'm giving here C for example, and I want to cite it here slash cite C. Now compile it. So here you can see C1. This is the reference here, citation of reference 1. The second you can do here is you can add the author and year name before the reference. You can add square brackets, and within square brackets you can add author name, for example Chalmers 1991, and then compile it, and let's see what happens. Here we get the author year name in the square brackets before the reference. This is the author year style. This is the simple method of referencing and also known as the author year style. And now you can also make changing in it. Say for example, you can add here and this and in the place of Greek letter and mostly you have to write the journal name in the italic, so you can write slash text it and the whole of this name of journal will go into. So you can manage your references by the way you want. Thank you.